Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And today's table topic, let me get the today's table topic. Okay. The table topic for today is what's the belief that you hold with which many people disagree. What's the belief that you hold with which many people disagree? The belief that I hold is pretty unique, pretty different, and might not be what you think that I'm going to talk about. I think that making a food which liked by more, which liked by everyone, it's not possible because everyone has a different taste, or like taste is very subjective. The thing that I might like the that you might not like at all. So there have been many scenarios, many instances where I have been in the offices where people l- after eating a food canteen food, and they complain that the food is not good, the food quality has deteriorated. Even though the vendor changed, they think the food quality has changed. What I believe is the food quality has not changed. It's just the same taste in food that you got bored. Just imagine for a second that if you eat food in a five-star hotel for maybe like throughout maybe few months, you definitely gonna get bored. That's for sure. But it doesn't mean that food quality has deteriorated. It's just that uh, you have developed a test which you don't like the food at all, that the five-star food. So the key to it is we need to understand that it's very difficult which you can make a food which can be liked by everyone. And why this conviction comes from, because in college I have been uh, the mess committee member, which around 7 to 800 folks used to eat. So that was the I don't remember correctly, maybe the 400 or the 800. I don't remember correctly, but given it was a big mess, and whenever we try to make something new, very different, people, there were entirely two sides of people. One side of people, they liked the food very much, and then other side of people, they did not like the food at all. They thought it's a worst food. So after trying this experiment few times, I was convinced that it's very hard to satisfy everyone. What we can do is we can just need to we can just focus on satisfying the majority. Like, let's focus on the majority. It's very hard to satisfy everyone. So that's why I believe that making a food which everybody can like is not possible, in my opinion. Thank you. Over to you.